stop, your contactor clicks, but the motor doesn't start? Good. That means the coil is working, so don't blame the motor. Grab your multimeter. Set it to AC voltage. Measure phase to phase at the output of the contactor. You should read 380 to 400 volts between every pair. Balanced. Equal. If one pair reads 220 volts or less, that's a missing phase. Why? Because one contact inside the contactor is damaged. The coil pulls in, but one power contact is burned or not closing properly. 2 strong readings, 1 weak line. Problem found. Want to master real troubleshooting? Full training course. Link in bio.